Now part 2, number 3, Peninsula Plate. This is the oldest region of India. This region appears as an inverted triangle. Its average height is about 600 to 900 meters. Its northern part slopes towards northeast, which is evident from the flow of Chambal, Son and Damodar rivers. The southern part slopes towards southeast. Most of its area is in south, hence it is also called southern plate. As it is surrounded by sea on its three sides, it is called a peninsula plate. इसकी तीन तरफ पानी होने की वजह से ये एक ट्रायंगल शेप है, ठीक है, इसलिए ये पूरा एरिया जो है पेनिनजुला प्लेट कहलाता है. पेनिनजुला प्लेट कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट, मालवा प्लेट एंड डेक्कन प्लेट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, मालवा प्लेट. अरवली रेंज इज सिचुएटेड टू द northwest part of Malwa Plate. Aravalli is one of the oldest ranges in the world. It is a folded mountain. Mount Abu is the famous hill station on this range. तो जो इस प्लेस पे गया होगा उसे एग्जैक्टली जो है ख्याल होगा इसका जियोग्राफिकल स्ट्रक्चर का. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड प्लेजेंट. Guru Shikhar is its highest peak and it is 1722 meters high. To the south of this region, the rivers Chambal and Betwa emerging from Vindhyachal flow northwards and meet river Yamuna, while river Son flows northwards and meet river Ganga. इस तरह कौन सी नदी का पानी कहाँ मिल रहा है ये पूरा जो है हम कैन इमेजिन ऑल्सो. And I'll send you afterwards the videos and the photos also in your group so you can see the exact places. Okay, it can be known from the direction of river flow that the region slopes northwards. The northeastern part of the central upland is known as Bundelkhand. Besides this, rivers Luni and Banas also originated in the Aravalli range in northeast. These rivers vanish in the run of Kutch, while Sabarmati and Mahi rivers meet the Gulf of Khambat. तो ये जो है ना जो कच्छ में आ जाती है तो वो वहाँ से वो वैनिश हो जाती है, वहाँ तक ही उनका रेंज होता है, ठीक है. और बाकी जो है ना साबरमती और मही वो जो है खम्बात में मिल जाती है. From the flow of these rivers, it can be ascertained that the western part of Malwa Plate slopes towards southwest. Rajmahal Hills and Shillong Plate are a part of Chota Nagpur Plate, which also include Ranchi Plate. प्लेट यानी हम हमारी जो ज़बान में हम उसे ज़मीन का हिस्सा कहेंगे, ठीक है, और इस तरह आपको समझने में भी आसानी रहेगी. सेकेंड पॉइंट, डेक्कन प्लेट. द डेक्कन प्लेट इज सिचुएटेड टू द साउथ ऑफ सातपुड़ा, महादेव एंड मैकल रेंजेस which are located to the south of the Malwa Plate. The northwestern parts of the plate are composed of lava deposits. On the western side, its border is demarcated by Western Ghats, which runs north-south along the Arabian Sea coast. It has several local names. It is known Sahyadri in Maharashtra and Karnataka, as Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu, as Annamalai and Cardamom ranges along the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The southern portion of Western Ghats is more lofty. Generally, the average height of Deccan Plate ranges between 900 to 1000 meters, but at a few places it exceeds that height. वैसे तो 900 और 1000 मीटर बताई जाती है, लेकिन कहीं पर वो बढ़ भी जाती है उसकी हाइट. Few isolated hills having more than 900 meters of height form the eastern boundary of this plate. This is called Eastern Ghats. It has a general slope towards southeast, which is evident from the direction of the flow of the rivers, except rivers Narmada and Tapi, which flow westwards. Most of the rivers of Deccan Plate flow eastwards and meet the Bay of Bengal. So, जैसा कि मैंने कहा, ठीक है, ये पूरा ज्योग्राफिकल स्ट्रक्चर बताया, कहाँ से शुरू होकर कौन कहाँ मिल रहा है, कौन कहाँ ख़त्म हो रहा है, वो हमें सारा बताया गया है. तो नेम के साथ हम इसके जियोग्राफिकल फ़ोटोज़ एंड वीडियोस भी देखेंगे. फोर्थ पॉइंट, कोस्टल प्लेन्स मीन्स के प्लेन्स अलोंग द सी कोस्ट. कोस्ट दरिया किनारे का जो हिस्सा है ना वो वाला जो है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्लेन्स अलोंग द सी कोस्ट. पेनिनसुला प्लेट इज़ सराउंडेड बाय a belt of plains from Kutch to Odisha. It is divided into western and eastern coastal plains. The west coast plain is spread from Gujarat to Kerala. Except in Gujarat, the plain is mostly narrow. गुजरात को बात करते हुए बाकी सारी जो प्लेन्स है ना वो थोड़ी नैरो है. इट इज़ वेरी मच undulating and is known as Malabar Coast to the south of Goa. West Coast rivers have developed creeks at their estuaries. Most of these creeks are submerged valleys under river water.